Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make well go to the platform. Well, we see some thing brew in the east from the other day, yeah, you know, Steve, where we are talking about surrounding the Bubble Hill incident them and thing like that. Because more than incident them. You know, see, you say incident sound like as a regular thing or something we expected or you see it, another case it's different. You know, see it. So yeah. See, but we observe another little thing here where go on with a lady, say a lady, we have a video gonna show with a lady, a lament the loss of her family, you know, out there. And really and truly, them things they're hurtful. And you know, people them were involved, the people them in authority. It not sound too good to me, you know, cause really and truly I'm not telling the truth now, you know. I'm just from the news where the item I get here, so I'm on a grasp, I'm on little knowledge from same way like the item. See, so we're good have to go do a part 2. See, now I know this thing here. Now, what we are hope say is not this same political vibes we are going in a rasta where the woman them becomes target like this, you know. See, and more so the shameless, heartless politician them where I allow them things to happen without sitting down and have a consensus across the board between one who is in charge, Rasta. Without them seeing the value in the human being them who dwell around them more than them own personal ambition. Without them taking themselves out of the picture, them ego out of the picture and stop seeing the people them as just tools, just you know, just numbers. The people them are human beings, them have life, them live, them love, them hurt. Rasta. This fake political idealism wanna push on the people them and I cast this device amongst them, this ideology where nah help nobody, never do nothing for nobody yet. We don't know history. After no politics are help none away. Uncle no done them. I don't know for woman done and man done. And while we don't know if them people are some of them same sort of thing there, we don't like the aura of politics. None at all. You know, see it? We don't like the fact for no say people lose them life. We don't like the fact for no say over silly, stupid politics. It make it worse. More hurtful and distasteful, Rasta. Come on. Now we know the politician, them are friends same way, you know. Them a friend, Rasta, them not have no personal, them not have a problem to the point where them not hurt one another. The way we do it on the ground, where we don't have mercy or compassion for woman, feminine gender, nothing like that. Let's be crazier than the politician them who are benefit more from the politics. And the sick, twisted drunkard them sitting in them AC room, I observe and I watch them things happen. And nah, do nothing about it. No one say one word of condemnation and the whole of them things are done. Me not ask you, you know. I tell you, you know. Say if the two MP them make a walk and denounce, disassociate themselves from them sort of action there, Rasta, not in my name sort of thing and burn them out. No guy no do them, no perpetrate them thing there in the name of them political idealism, them stupid illusion. You know see, nobody. Cause it's all about them. I forget them likeness and forget them respect. When it come to politics, anyway, we now long it out. I'll play the video and we'll jump back in it after. You see it.
Me say, me never run, they will kill me. Me run in the house and I burrow. And me burrow all one side of the door, so me hold one side and the fire the shot in the middle. So I really stop in the middle and say we are buried. Me not dead too. Friday, when we in here, we hear some gunshot outside. So me come out of my room, go in the room and call Tafina and wake up because she can't sleep. So me hear the shot, me say, Tafina, you know, call Xavier. He shot out a road.
Xavier is her spouse?
Son.
Okay.
So then I sit down here so I drink some soup. So me run come out after me tell Tafina to call Lennox. Me I look for Lennox here so. Me no see him. So me that one Lennox, you know, here one going out there, me no see him, but when me look, my brother did gone for the charger for his son laptop. So me think him a come through the gate. Me see the hand come through the gate. And when me look, three of them come through the gate with long gun. Me I run for lock the door, me couldn't lock the door because they reach on the veranda already. And when they come, me run back and me say, run Tafina! Me say, run Tonet! Run Tonet! I run Tonet, run with the two baby them underneath the bed. And call the two baby mouth. Me and Burro run in a Tafina room. When we run in the room, the boy fire the shot in the door with me running in the house. Me never know so they kill Tafina at ground. And Tafina boyfriend look at the door bottom and say, Doreen they kill Tafina, me say lie I tell. Tafina they are ground so me run out. When me run out, me go out the door go see Lennox a ground out there so them lick out Lennox barrel ground. Me say, me never run, they will kill me. Me run in the house and I burrow. And me burrow all one side of the door, so me hold one side and the fire the shot in the middle. So I really stop in the middle and say we are buried. Me not dead too.
Do you understand what could have caused all of this?
Listen to me. They do want to kill Tafina a long time. And now they do want to kill Tafina. Long time, and more than 3 years now. They say they want to kill Tafina down at the stall.
Why?
Them just a like her.
Tafina talk to people, you know?
Them just a like her.
Tafina really talk to people.
Because Tafina no go nowhere just from here to down at the stall. And if her Labour Right Party, she go her later Labour Right Party and she come back. Not no more. When Tafina walk, Tafina having her headphone and have her phone and talk pan. Tafina not talk to people, then just like Tafina.
How many children do you have?
2.
What went through your mind, especially in the house though when you hear the
The
shots?
same place in the house, kind of the passage, them kill Tafina, you know. See Tafina room, I see the passage here, so.
So you'd have Lisa's gunman pump bullets into her?
Me never know so she dead. Cause me tell her run.
But then when she frightened, she couldn't run.
Tafina stand up, see him where I do over here. But the next one run with the baby them underneath the bed and caught the baby them move. So me think I just the door. Them fire the shot them through the door. I just think I door. Me nah look for say. A Tafina when they gone now me come out. The Burro said to me say, Doreen a Tafina them killing her. And so me run out and ball out and run go out the road because me still not see Lennox. But when I go through the gate, me see little thing a come in. And me say, little thing, where your father there? He say, you know me. But me run.
Him come.
See him me go through the gate. Run go through the gate, say me run go through the gate, me say Lennox a go out the road.
What type of husband is this? What type of person is he?
So,
Him alright, him not no troublemaker.
How long have you been together?
I'm more than 20
tell if you
years
sit
old.
down now, tell if you
We're married. 2004 we married. So 18 years. You see my daughter, she, and me and my husband. Anyway, she gone. I call her phone and say, oh, I know what happened. If she not come home, if she even go party, and by catch 12 o'clock or 11:30, she reach him. Lennox, the same thing. Lennox are there for a week. From Sunday, Lennox go away, Lennox come back Thursday night after 7. We should go never know them a plan for them.
Condolences to the family. You know, see, regardless, the condolences to the family. Them things are unacceptable, you know, Rasta. Nah, man, no matter who the man them is, Rasta, them things are there. No mistake, no happen there, so you know. It's like, it sound like the man them know where them go after Rasta. The man if you stop, take hit from woman. What woman, I mean, come on, man. The woman them, you know, a woman can't pack up and move again. Where a woman now come back, come lay with two man and them ready and take them out. A woman is that threatening these days. No, I man might have it wrong. No, you don't see it. We know say if a woman a violator or a girl a violator, however you want to perceive the Empress them to be, you just word them up and make them know say take away yourself. As the, I mean, and I eat that, you usually never hear nothing from a woman again. A woman more, you know. We know say nobody don't love mixed up and people business like woman. We not say we don't mean all women, you know. But I we know nobody mouth no bad like a woman. That's how we grow. Woman that grow and teach you that. We grow with sister. We're fiercey. Fiercey. Nano head sister. And more you have to keep yourself quiet and just humble. Cause your mother is a girl. You know see? And she could have dead her too. And you can't bad up your sister because your mother better than the whole of you. You know see? And you know your mother got turn on the terror upon you, Rasta, where them level the gun, where them mannerism there, where them care and protection and, you know, me I say towards the feminine gender, wait there. We see the same thing happen with Sister Sharon up at Bobo Hill the other day, and no politician no step out and condemn it. None of them, the whole of them sit down there and kiki. Like say, well then, you know, another one bite the dust. Type of thing, and them a woman. And them a woman. And all of them, when them left out of politics, them a serious sick millionaire. So them a make a profit for doing nothing. Them a make serious benefit, Rasta, for doing nothing, no representation. And no matter what go on, no matter how them misrepresent the people or misrepresent the office where them work for, none of them no resign. You don't get none of them, you know, hear no uproar, you know, nobody a demand no consequence. I tell some guys say, we want an inquiry. The whole Jamaica just sit back and just make them people a leech upon them, a vampire upon them. Just suck out them blood and gone. At the end of the day, for feed them and feed them family and feed them just for them personal gains, Rasta. Come on. It's not acceptable, Rasta. It's not the norm. It's not normal. Not because it go comes to people and say, "Choy, you're a politician, them loud them, them do them." No, it's not normal. It's not normal. It's not acceptable, Rasta. There's consequence for guys for face, man, and bear. And what's the consequence we don't mean criminal consequence. legal consequence. You know, see, economic ramification and upsetting in a vote and all them thing there, guy will lose power and them for no. You know, see, yeah. No matter how obvious, I mean, if people vote you out, no matter how much power you have and can thief vote, you can't thief that one day. You're going to have to just, you know, take the wings of the man in Rasta and leave. You know, see. Bull be youth and youth that not acceptable. I want to know. That not acceptable. A coward waste man move that, Rasta. You see, not for politics, not for informing. A woman for yourself, take care of yourself. Plain and simple. You know, say, yeah, a woman can be dangerous. See, but not dangerous enough where she a gonna deserve certain treatment, Rasta. I don't think so. I don't believe in that. I don't believe in that. You know, see, I don't believe in that. I don't think that is any stripe or any farmer. That is just total wicked, sick, sadistic wickedness. You know, see, probably a man have a gay man amongst him or a gay boss or a, no, well, not even gay, because gay man don't really have no propensity to hurt women. No, sorry. My apology. Gay man and most women are friend to rascal. I don't mean it that way. You know what I really mean? Saying is that you have some guy out there with some sick, twisted hate for the female gender. And them not gay, them not necessarily means that them gay. Them not gay neither. Because for real, you know, you have the history of gay man a hate for woman because them a woman. No. No, Rasta, far from that. In a lot of cases, gay man treat women with more respect than a straight man treat them with. Because them, you want me to say, them respect them opinion, them respect them listen to them par with them not shame of them not embarrassed by them woman can't embarrass them. Then, to the extent where them all say, here, tar. No, it's like, no, enough of that, they done with that. You know, say it. So, no disrespect this to the community, pan in that way. You just mean like, yeah, for real. And if me ever say that again, I say it that way there. I'm learning. You see, conduct my speech then. Yeah. See, yeah. Some sick, twisted, sadistic mentality in some boy, man, we live amongst we. You know, see, we have them propensity, they go to struggle with some demons. Glad for earth, woman. Glad for you know how much baby that all our guys stop this from born in the same community or any part. Yeah, no disrespect. Yeah. Yeah. No disrespect, Rasta. You know, see it. Some boy sick, twisted. We don't accept that. We don't business for that not acceptable. And politicians them will sit down there and I make all them things happening and them name Rasta. You know see it. You know see him say on a day for come man and hopefully, yeah. In way, condolences to the family Rasta. And people them have a right for like which politics them want, like the people them have a right, Rasta. And nobody business, nobody not supposed, that not supposed to be a death sentence. I fuck with that. That's not badness. You know say, what I love convert people, you know, if your attitude, you can't force and intimidate people for love you, Rasta. How that work? I really love that. And that's why you desperate for love. That's you got to touch a group of people, terrorize a group of people into loving you. I love you have to use. Not like I give thanks. I give thanks, Rasta.